Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add highlight on Instagram without posting. So simply open Instagram, click on to profile, click on to three line, scroll down, click on this option, click on, and you need to just select all friend to hide story. Select all friend and press on to done. Okay, and now trying to add. Okay, click on to add story to select photo or video. Okay, and click on this arrow option to share, and now add to highlight. Okay, create new, okay, add, press on to done. Okay, and check my profile. So look here. Okay, now successfully add highlight but without posting.